Fitcam has 8,000 dedicated car models covering a majority of common cars in the market. Fitcam's business model revolves around creating application-specific cameras that emulate the OEM look. In simpler terms, OEM refers to the parts and components that are manufactured by the same company that built your vehicle. Fitcam's Dashcam are equipped with cutting-edge features to ensure your safety and provide crucial evidence in case of incidents. With GPS tracking, you can monitor routes and accurately pinpoint location and speeds. Advanced night vision technology guarantees clear footage even in low light. Additionally, the built-in G sensors automatically detects and save footage of collision or sudden movements. Trust Fitcam to keep you protected and informed on every journey. So now let us unbox the Fitcam's 4K dashcam for the Honda CR-V. As you can see here, we have the 4K Ultra HD clarity. The key features of the Fitcam include Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, and the high dynamic range. So on the back of the box you can see the brand name Fitcam and the model HD2 and the product name Dashcam. You can also visit their website www.fitcamx.com for other models and complete details. And talking about the cautions before installation of the Fitcam, please turn off the power of the car before installation. Please enter the app to format the memory card for the first use. So these are some of the basic cautions. You can go through them directly once you have the Fitcam. So now let us get into the interesting part, that's the unboxing. The Fitcam's dashcam came with a very premium packaging and was delivered on time. Now let us check what's inside the box. Okay, now let us see what's inside the box of the Fitcam's dashcam. Okay, we have two more boxes in here. I feel the bigger one has the dashcam and the smaller one has probably some tools, I guess. Let's check that. Next up, we have a user manual here. The Fitcam's user manual. We'll probably check that later during the installation. Now let's check what's inside the small box. Okay, we have three things in here. So first one, it's the wiring harness which will be used to connect to the power socket within the car. That one we'll check during the installation process. And next up, we have a trim tool which is pretty good and pretty handy during the installation. And finally, we have the micro SD to USB and C adapter. So using this, you can transfer your data to the laptop easily. Okay, now let us see what's inside this big box. And it's the Fitcam's OEM dashcam for the Honda CR-V. If you have a different car model, you'll get a different size dashcam. Okay, this is the dashcam and we have some wiring here. Let's check that out later during the installation. First up, my first impression is the build quality looks great. It looks premium, and here the blue thing you see here, the sticker, it's the dashcam. I'm going to rip off the sticker later during the installation. So this is where your dashcam is placed and this is where all the recording takes place. And next up, you don't have anything extra, so it fits seamlessly into your car. And we have two buttons here. First one, as you can see here, is the image capture button and the other one is the power button. And next up, as I said before, we have the user manual, which will be pretty handy during the installation and during the use of the application. It comes in many different languages so that it's easy for installation. Okay, now we are inside the vehicle Honda CR-V, where the Fitcamx 4K Ultra HD OEM dashcam will be installed. So this is the part that's gonna be replaced and installed with the Fitcamx dashcam. Before that, we also need to remove these two screws, and let's see the entire process now. Firstly, use the trim tool to remove this part from your vehicle. Gently push it and remove only the center part first so that you don't break it, and this is how it looks. And next up, use the same trim tool and gently remove this entire part. Yep, it's removed successfully now, and that's how it looks. So this is the place where we are gonna fit the Fitcamx OEM dashcam so that it looks like company fitted. Next, for our connection, we need to remove this entire center light unit. So first, gently remove these two screws you see here. So once the screws behind the sunglass holders are removed, then remove these lights gently using the trim tool, and you will see two more screws here. So you need to remove this, and then we need to remove the entire center light console area so that we can get the power connection for our Fitcamx dashcam. So this is how the light unit looks after the screws have been removed. So basically you'll remove the 4 screws And now we have the wiring harness that was provided by the Fitcam, and this will be used to provide the power connection to the Fitcam from the front. So gently remove this. So now you can see there's no power connection, so the lights got turned off. So this is how you do the connections here. Use the wiring harness and make these two connections. It's pretty simple. And the black adapter that you see here, this will be connected to the blue color adapter of the dashcam from the front. Before the installation of the dashcam, make sure you open these two clips here so that you can easily remove the center part of the dashcam. And now this is the final connection that we are going to do for the Fitcam's OEM 4K Ultra HD dashcam. So make sure you send this blue adapter through the space available at the front and connect it to the black color adapter that we previously used to connect to the power. So this is the final connection that needs to be done for the Fitcam. Yep, that's it. All the connections are over now. Just make sure you place the dashcam properly in here. And finally fit the center part, and the Fitcam's Ultra HD 4K dashcam is installed successfully on this Honda CR-V. So finally the installation of the Fitcam's dashcam is complete on the Honda CR-V, and this is how it looks. I am really happy with the build quality, and I'm really happy that how it has fitted into the vehicle. It looks like it came with the car, and it does not look like an extra fitting for the car. As you can see here, it looks premium and it has the best build quality for the dash cams that have used in the recent times. And talking about the other features, the Fitcam's dash cams come with a 64 GB inbuilt memory card. As you can see here, it's 64 GB and you can seamlessly remove this memory card from the dash cam. So if you are interested to buy this Fitcam's dash cam, please use the coupon code in the description box below to get an additional 8% discount. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer that. And talking about the features, we have two buttons here. First one, it's the image capture button as I told you before, and the other one is the power button. So now let me quickly go outside the car and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks from outside. So once the installation of the Fitcam's dashcam is complete, we need to install the mobile application to access it. If you are using an Apple phone, you can open the App Store and search for Fitcamx. Or if you are using an Android phone like me, you can search for Fitcamx on the Play Store and install it seamlessly. So this is the icon of the Fitcamx and you can install it. Once the app has been installed, come back to your vehicle and turn on the engine to check if the Fitcam is up and running. If you see a red light in the Fitcam, it means it's still not recording. So press the power button and then you see the blue light like this. So this means that the Fitcam is installed perfectly and has started recording. Once you have turned on the Dashcam, open the mobile's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Dashcam's Wi-Fi. It generally has a naming that starts with LHD. For the password, you need to check with the user manual that has been provided to you. So now let us use the Fitcam's mobile app. Once you have entered into the application, you can see the Dashcam's Wi-Fi and you will connect to it. So once you are connected, this is the home screen, and if you click on the image button, that will automatically capture an image. And next up, to talk about the camera settings, you have speaker volume, which has options such as low, medium and high. You also have the exposure compensation, which you can select according to your need. And talking about video resolution, you have 4 options. We have the Ultra 4K HD option and the other resolutions as well. The more the resolution, the more the space it takes in your memory card. And next up, we have the timestamp, which is selected right now, and we do also have the collision sensing. You can turn it off, set it for low, set it for medium, set it for high. I generally suggest you to set it for medium. And also we have the parking guard. So if you are using this application for the first time, it's suggested in the instruction manual to format all the data in the memory card to work properly. So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm erasing all the data and entering it to the Fitcam app again to ensure everything works perfectly. So now you can see the connection. I click on connect and you can connect to the Fitcam's Wi-Fi and it will automatically take you inside the application and the home screen. So this is how it looks. When I click on the video button, it starts and stops the video recording. As you can see now, the video recording is paused. If I click on it again, the video recording resumes. So next up, if I click on the camera button, it captures the image. And these are the camera settings as I said before. Now let us access the camera file to check what's inside that. So here we have all the storage. First one, the loop, is the videos that have been recorded. And next one, snapshot, is the images that have been recorded. So these are some of the videos that I recorded right now in the Fitcam's 4K Ultra HD Dashcam. And you also have the snapshots. The clarity are really amazing. I'll put some images. So that's it for the complete overview of the Fitcam's installation and mobile application. And now let us see some real-time driving videos.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto 132nd Street Southeast.
So right now we are recording the audio from the Fitcam's Dashcam and I'm sitting on the driving seat. So let me see how much audio is
At
covered.
the light, turn right onto 132nd Street Southeast.
In between you will be also able to hear the navigation, I guess. So we'll be able to know the audio clarity of the Fitcam's Dashcam from the interior. Also, if you don't need the audio, you can turn it off. But right now, to test the camera quality and the audio quality. I have kept the sound on, and let's also see the outside view, how much it covers. So basically it's 2 p.m. afternoon. This I'm recording right now, and it's pretty cloudy. I don't think the video footage would be that much clear, but let's see the quality of the Fitcamx Dashcam. Probably need to drive on another sunny day and upload another video where you will be able to get the exact camera clarity of this Fitcam. So let's start. I mean, the recording has started, I know that. So let's keep going. You'll be able to hear the instructions that I have put on the Android Auto for the map. So let's see how it goes.